Cuenca, to ride the bus, you have to have one of these, and you need to go to the Etapa offices to get it. ETAPA is what you look up on Google Maps. This is for the bus. Now, to ride the Tranvia, you can pay at the stations or get one of these. So I'll show you on Google Maps. So if you want to ride this, look on the map and type in Trenvia. So here's the stations. For instance, this is on Mariscal La Marica, I think. Anyway, you walk down here to these machines. So you've got a couple of poles. Now, if you have a Tranvia card, what you have to do is you'll scan your card right here. And when you scan it, I would snap a picture with your phone. It will show you the balance. And you also will automatically pay for a ticket at the same time. That is good for 45 minutes. And if you screw it up, the fine's $138 if you don't pay for it. If you do not have a Tranvia card and you want to pay by cash, you walk up to this machine and you put a $1 coin in here. Well, you'll push this first, and comprar boleto is buy a ticket. You can also cargar tarjeta is recharge your card. So you can do that here if you already have a card. So you'll touch this, you'll hit buy a ticket. It's $1. You'll accept, and then you'll put your coin right here, and then you can read the screen, you can put it in English, but you'll take your card, it'll spit a card out right here. You keep that in your hand because they check for cards. If you don't have the card with you, it's $138. And also, you gotta have that Tranvia ticket with you or a card with you if you used it to pay at one of these stations, because they can come by and scan your card electronically. Also, don't lose your card. If you lose your card, people will hop on the train and they'll have your card in their pocket and they won't scan your card. And then when they get a fine, the fine will go to you because they'll say, oh, I don't have an identification card. And then you get the $138 fine. So it's a nice, smooth, efficient mode of transportation. It's easy to use once you figure it out.